Hello everyone, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I have some really pretty Christmas journals to share with you today, as well as a wallpaper restock in the Lindsay supply section. I'm going to just so quickly show you what I have here with the wallpaper, and then we will get right into the flip through of the journals. The link to the shop is down below. These are all sets of 4, and they're either 11 by 16 or 11 by 17, so they can cover pretty much any size journal you're going to do with leftovers. This one is Chrissy, Tanglewood, so we have beautiful neutrals. Alice's Wedding, this one's so pretty, so pretty. Eliza. There are a lot of florals in these collections. Tiny Roses. Definitely picked some amazing ones to share with you. The Duke. This is kind of a tannish gold. Could be masculine or just neutral. Lady Love. Look at how beautiful that set is. Oh. Neutral Grace. Plumberry Damask. Look at that plum color. So gorgeous. Gardener's Daughter. Look at that one. Really pretty. Gertie. It's kind of light purples. And well, that one's a gorgeous dark purple. And then Crystal Rose. So hopefully that will get you the wallpaper you need for your projects. And let's get right into these Christmas journals. We're going to start with this journal from Nancy Carr. This is an October challenge journal. So my artist created Christmas journals during the month of October, and I'll be sharing them till I share all of them. This one says, with all good Christmas wishes. There's a little sticker, some little jingle bells. Very beautiful, beautiful Christmas journal. All right, so let's see what Nancy has to say about this. Woodland Christmas Holiday Image Club. You can get that in my shop. I believe right now the price is $10 for a lifetime, and I add about 5 new images. Somebody asked me the other day how many images currently. So as of this week, almost to the middle of November 2020, there's between 55 and 60 images in there currently. And then I add more every week. Christmas Cheer, Frosty Night. So those 3 are from my shop, and then some Victoria Designs, Old Design Shop, and then some Flickr, which probably is public domain. Beautiful. I love a good woodland journal, and especially when you add that Christmas tint to it, the little berries and the trees and the snow branches. So pretty. The coffee dyed papers. You get a chance to use all those cute little stamps. So pretty. These are from Christmas Cheer, these little ephemera pieces. Christmas Cheer has 45 images. And that you can get in my shop under Lindsay's Digitals or Lindsay's Print Shop if you want it printed on cardstock and shipped to you. I've had a couple people ask me about the image clubs, like if you join Holiday Image Club or one of the other ones, can you get them printed? Like these postcards are from Holiday Image Club under the Christmas section. And the answer is yes. That is a custom order though. So after you have signed up for the lifetime deal, then you can contact me. I have an email address, and we can work out that. It is a price per page. It is 50 cents a page for presentation or premium paper, and a $1 a page for cardstock. And then there is a discount available if you do more than $100 worth of prints. So you can always let me know about that. All right, so now we have a few like Traveler's Notebook journals. These are from Anne from Sweden. This cover, she took one of my papers from Holiday Image Club. It has a different color scheme with the gold, the brown, and the blue. Really pretty. I like this. Will go perfect inside of a cover. So if you are a traveler, I love the size of a Traveler's Notebook, and I have completed more than one of these. And I love keeping them in a cover. So this is a perfect setup if you love that. There's going to be these 3 journals the next This one and the next two you see after that will be together as a set in the Marketplace journals. So you will have some to give away, or maybe you want one for list and menu, one for memory keeping. But she has a blue ribbon on that one. And then this one is pretty. Very similar. Just a pretty traveler's notebook setup. Really nice to put in your traveler's notebook and just kind of decorate Christmassy. Or just it has a little bit of a Christmas hint if you're not going all out. And then this one goes with it as well. It's called The Deer. See, there's a deer there, and there's some tags and some labels, or a label. It says Happy Christmas. So these are a little small to put on their own. They're supposed to be like full-on 60-page journals at least, so that's why I am combining them. They're just kind of little booklet notebooks. So I'm just combining the three of them. These are all from Sweden. So if you want some Christmas journals from Sweden, that's a wonderful option. And then Anne also sent this one. It's called the Golden Birds. Look at that fabric. So that's from Sweden. Isn't that amazing? And look at the gold ribbon. It's a little tri-fold. And it's like a traveler's notebook tri-fold cover. It has two inserts that are sewn and then slipped in. So very nicely done. She's used some of my digitals. It is an October challenge, so Sweet Floral Christmas. Look at all these fun bits. Christmas cheer. Lots of fun. Oh, I like what she did here. This library card that says Merry Christmas with these trees. This is from Holiday Image Club. She just printed it a little bigger and to do a page to make a page. There's so many things you can do in different ways. You can print things and size things. Lots of fun. Beautiful. Adding florals in with it. This is a gorgeous, look at the little red can pull tab. This would be great to do over 2 years and then keep them together in one. Very nice. Or maybe one that you do and one that another family member does, and you keep it together. There's some fun baubles hanging off of the edge, and this tri-fold keeps it all protected. So this is the Golden Birds from Anne. Very pretty, Anne. Okay, look at this cover. Isn't that fun? I hope you can see the glitter and the collage. So there's paper, and then there's a few bits of collages, doilies. Look at that tree paper. Look at this. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? So this is definitely a pink Christmas one. Look at the beads. This is beautiful. Pink tree and then sparkly glitter ribbon. And this is from Debbie. It is actually an altered book. So this is from Debbie Young. Look at the altered book. Isn't that beautiful? And the edges are pink. So she's used Holiday Image Club, Sweet Floral Christmas, Christmas Cheer, Merry Christmas, and Warm Wishes. So she went all out. This is a piece of fabric. Love that. So we have Sweet Floral Christmas, Holiday Image Club. There are a bunch of pockets. Some of the cut-aparts from Holiday Image Club. Wow, look at that. That's cute. I don't know where she got that, but that is super cute. The postcards from Holiday Image Club. The Image Clubs are investments. Once you sign up, you are a part of it for as long as it exists, which hopefully is years. There's little glitter added. This is Sweet Floral Christmas. This is a perfect altered book. Done so well. You're a part of those clubs forever, for as long as they last. And you can, throughout the years, as I add items to it, look at the little Christmas card. You will be able to have access to all of them. This is from my paper pack, Merry Christmas. I love how she added that. This is from Holiday Image Club. So Some book pages. This is a beautiful Christmas altered book. And I honestly think it would be a gorgeous piece of decor. So pretty. And if you prefer more red, look at this one. Look at all the glitter. I love that. The little jingle bells on the spine. This has a beautiful tassel with some little mini ornaments. It's even collaged and glittered on the back. 3 signatures. I believe this is from Debbie as well. It's called Retro Christmas, Holiday Image Club, Merry Christmas, Christmas Cheer, and then a few other shops, Dreams, etc. etc. Merry Christmas. Love it. Holiday Image Club, Holiday Image Club. This is so much fun. From Christmas Cheer. So pretty. Christmas Cheer, Holiday Image Club. I love these postcards. Love how they came out. This is from Light the Way. It's one of my digital kits, and I didn't think about adding that into Christmas journal, but boy, that goes perfectly. Love the doily. Little bingo pocket. Look! Snoopy wrapping paper. Retro wrapping paper. Little retro magazine pages. Perfect number 25. Works for December 25th. Oh, so fun. I think this may be my favorite Christmas journal I've seen this year yet, but I know that I have boxes and boxes to go through. It just speaks to me. I think it's so much fun. It just reminds me of my childhood and then also just times gone by. So much fun, Debbie. Love it. I know somebody's going to adore this. What a special journal. So you can go more pink with the altered book or go more traditional and fun with this one. Look at this cover. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? So it's a Reader's Digest condensed book cover. Look at this tassel. I wish you could, can you see the snowflakes on there? And number 24 for Christmas Eve. Look at the beautiful, there's little bits of glitter. It says winter. There's painted corrugated cardboard, makes it look like snow. Debbie, you have really taken your journals up a whole step. These are so incredible. Fabric, winter scenes. So she's used Vintage Image Club. Now in Vintage Image Club, I have a folder called Winter Scenes, and she's used that on the cover and then some other pages. So you might want to join Vintage Image Club. I think it's $15 to join that right now, but I have like 170 folders on there. So you really want to be a part of that. Holiday Image Club, Christmas Cheer, Frosty Night, as well as some Artie Mays. Gotta love Artie Mays. I'm always happy to have her work put in journals that, oh, she printed the postcards a little. So cute. Carol of the Bells. Winter Retreat, that's a calendar page. There's a little postcard. I like them printed small. Super adorable. Look at that squirrel ribbon. Oh, that's from, it's hard to see it. It's very light. Has a lantern on it. It's from Light the Way. And then there's a moose flashcard. Really pretty, Debbie. Look, over the river and through the woods. Merry Christmas. Look at the beautiful birds. I am working on a digital kit right now. Winter Wonders. That's going to have winter birds that I think you guys are going to love. Look at this. Pine cone. There's another Light the Way digital. This is Frosty Night. What a perfect journal, Debbie. I really am blown away by your work. We have one more to look at. I know you're going to be excited. It's blue. Look at this. Winter Wonder. Layers of lace, trims. Look at the little sequins. Lace on the spine. A little like boho icicle bead. And even the back is totally collaged. This is beautiful. 3 signatures. Wow. Look at the fluff on the edges. Just the perfect amount. So beautiful, Debbie. Winter Wonder. This is not a challenge journal because she used A Winter's Tale from Artie Mays. So this doesn't have my digitals in it. I am so happy to share this with all of you though. How beautiful this is. I've loved this kit. I don't own it, but this Artie Mays kit, since it came out, I've admired it. So pretty. Oh, look at that. It's a big flash card, vintage flash card. Create your own magic. How gorgeous. Look at that. Little waxwing. You guys know I love playing cards. This is so pretty. January and February. Little cards. Debbie, this is perfect. What a beautiful journal. Little blue parchment paper. So pretty. Now, you will see these aren't exactly even, but I really don't have a problem with it because they're sewn in there well and they're all under the cover. So really not an issue. Look at how gorgeous. Look at that Christmas card. Look at how, my goodness. Winter Wonderland. Debbie, thank you for sharing these with us. It just makes me so happy. There's another Create Your Own Magic and a Winter Wishes bookmark. That's all we are looking at today, but we have more fun things coming this week yet, so I hope that you will stay tuned. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Can't wait to see you again in the next video. Who knows what we might be inspired by.